Deerquest Outdoor Adventures is brought to you by Deerquest Limited, makers of Deer Sense, the scent that smokes.
Hi folks, thanks for joining me once again for another one of my Deerquest Outdoor Adventures. On today's edition, we're going to travel to the Canadian province of Saskatchewan, where we're going to join my good friends and pro staff members, Jim and Michelle Lecvie, as they try for some huge Canadian black bear. Now, they're going to be hunting with our friends at Camcoda Lodge. Camcoda Lodge has developed a reputation for producing some of the largest black bear you'll find anywhere in Canada. I know you're in for an exciting program, so I hope you'll stick with us, because I'll be right back after this.
Greg Hopf's Deerquest Outdoor Adventures is brought to you by Deerquest Limited, makers of Deer Sense, the scent that smokes. Also brought to you by ASAC Camouflage, the art of effective concealment. Matthews, catch us if you can. Ripcord Arrow Rests, the fall-away rest that keeps your arrow on. NOCK, the new benchmark in arrow performance. Black Gold, makers of the Skylight Bow Sight, another bright idea from Black Gold. Austin Halleck Gun Crafters, beautiful, accurate, and reliable. Hunting Solutions, makers of the multi-stand system. Nikon, the trusted name in optics. Hunter Safety Systems, quality and safety by design. And Walker's Game Ear, here like you've never heard before.
After baiting, Greg left Michelle and Jim to get into the stand for the evening.
Bugs are kind of bad. We just got here. Our guide told us there's a really nice brown bear here. Brown color face. I'm ready. I just want him to come. Let's just see what happens.
Prior to getting into the stand while Michelle watched Greg bait, Jim lit a couple of Deerquest Bear Scent sticks and put a bucket on top of them. Bear scents can be used alone or in addition to bait as a powerful extra scent attractor. They hadn't been sitting very long when Michelle spotted a color-phased bear headed in their direction. It seemed like forever as Michelle waited for this bruiser to come into the bait. Now folks, if you're not familiar with bear hunting or not good at size estimation, let me assure you, this is what you're looking for, a true pig bear. This one, as Michelle said, is huge. As usual, Michelle's shot was perfect.
Oh, man. Yes. I just got the biggest bear of my life. Oh my God. Oh, okay, just wait. I know you can see it, I'm shaking. That's a color phase, and that's my second color phase, but the first one I got was in Minnesota, wasn't as big. I can hear my guide coming right now. I'm freaking out, I just got a huge bear. Oh man, yes I did. Oh, I made a perfect shot. I'm so excited, and I gotta sit down because my leg is just like shaking. Oh.
Michelle waited for Greg and his helper to arrive before going to her bear. Bears like this are what Camp Coda Lodge is known for, and there's no doubt that Michelle was delighted. Now it was Jim's turn with Bo and Michelle with the camera. Once again, Jim lit Deerquest's bear sense as an additional attractor. For his hunt, Jim had selected anise bear sense sticks. Bear sense is also available in wild berry and 12 miles of dead fish. No matter which scent is used, bear sense is a powerful tool for drawing bear in from hundreds of yards away after they smell the powerful aroma from the bear scent sticks. As the big black walked under the stand, Jim was able to make a final determination as to whether to shoot or not. Jim decided while the bear was long and thin, it was a trophy class black bear and he would take him. As the old bear approached the bear sense bucket, Jim drew his bow. From his excellent shot, it was easy to see why Jim has taken so many black bear.
I can't take this, my whole heart can't take this anymore. Chasing back and forth, I didn't think I'd get a shot. And then right when I was gonna get a shot, the tape ran out. We had to put a tape in, he was right there. Anyway, he chased the brown bear off. Now he come back and he's right there. Oh,
He's real skinny. He's tall and lanky, but you can feel his ribs. He had a tough winter, and he's really hungry. He came right into the bait and just plopped down and started eating. And I bet it was close to an hour before we got a shot at him. He started running that other one around, and that's what helped him get up. And he got right underneath me.
Well, folks, there you have it. I'm afraid that's all we've got time for in today's edition. But I hope you enjoyed part one of our exciting spring black bear hunt with our good friends at Camp Coda Lodge in Saskatchewan, Canada. I'd also like to say thank you to the nice folks at the Heritage Inn for providing accommodations to our crew when they were staying in Saskatoon. Now, if you're looking for the black bear hunt of a lifetime, do yourself a favor. Camp Coda Lodge might quite possibly be one of the best kept secrets in all of Canada if you're looking for a really large black bear. Do yourself a favor, give Carrie a call, and set up a hunt for yourself. I'd like to also invite you to join me once again next week right here on the Sportsman's Channel for part two of our exciting bear hunt with Camp Coda Lodge. We're going to take two more Pope and Young bear. You're in for an exciting program. Until then, please remember, be safe and good hunting.